Experts Directory, a project supported by the Oklahoma State University Libraries, is a tool to organize all of your professional information in one single, easy-to-use location. Think of Experts Directory as an interactive CV that you can use to showcase your work, keep track of your research and publications, and control the information that you want to share with others. There are sections for scholarly and creative works, grants, professional activities, teaching activities, and more. Unlike a traditional CV, your Experts Directory site is not just a static document. It can contain pictures, videos, links to internet sites, and one-click options for people to contact you. All of this information is organized how you want, and visitors can click through your Experts Directory site to find what they need when they need it in a way that works for them. Every faculty member at OSU has a profile page on Experts Directory, and by default, it's populated with basic information like your title, degree, and current posting here at OSU. It can contain far more than just this, and you control the content that's on it as well as what's publicly visible. You can build your site slowly and carefully over time and set individual elements to be published or hidden. It also connects with services like ORCID and Scopus to automatically locate and import scholarly and creative works directly into your Experts Directory site. Experts Directory is designed to be flexible and scalable, and it's also ranked very highly in Google search results. When people search for your name, it's likely that your Experts Directory profile will be one of the top links that shows up. There's two ways to get started with Experts Directory. If you want to search for scholars and researchers, visit experts.okstate.edu. Type a name into the search box to see some pages that already exist for faculty members and give you an idea of what you might want your profile to look like as well. If you want to start editing your own page, visit expertsdirectory.okstate.edu. This is what the login page looks like, and all you have to do is click the OSU login button. Don't click the login via a different authenticating authority option. You can just ignore that. Click the OSU login button and enter your OKey email address and password, and you might also be prompted to enter a two-factor authentication code. Visit it.okstate.edu if you need help setting up two-factor authentication. After you log in, you'll see your own Experts Directory profile. Most of it will be empty, but if you want to start building out your page, you can click the Edit My Profile button to add things like teaching activities, scholarly and creative works, professional activities, connect to Scopus, or even just add a profile picture. It might seem a little overwhelming at first, but we have more videos that cover all the basics you need to know, and if you ever need assistance, just contact us and we'll be glad to help.